Vanakkam, good morning. In this video, we are going to discuss about the structure and functions of the cell membrane. This diagram depicts the structure of the cell membrane. The fluid mosaic model is the most commonly accepted model. It was proposed by the Singer and Nicholson in 1972. Fluidity of the cell membrane is mainly due to the lipids, and the mosaic pattern is mainly due to the proteins. The cell membrane is mainly made up of protein, 55% protein, 40% lipids, 5% carbohydrates. 40% of the cell membrane is made up of lipids, mainly phospholipids, glycolipids, cholesterol. The phospholipids important for the phospholipid bilayer. It has a two end, head and tail end. Head end is hydrophilic region. It is a water soluble molecule easily pass through the head end. Tail end is impermeable to the water molecule, but a lipid soluble molecule easily pass through the hydrophobic region. So the phospholipid bilayer is act as the permeability barrier between the intracellular fluid and extracellular region. It is the cytoplasmic region. This is the intracellular region is the cytoplasmic region, and this is the ECF, extracellular region. So the phospholipid bilayer is important for the permeability barrier. The phospholipid bilayer, phosphate molecule attached with the lipids. The phospholipid mainly made up of phosphatidylcholine, sphingomyelin, phosphatidylserine, phosphatidylinositol, and cardiolipid. The glycolipid molecules, carbohydrates are attached with the lipids. It is mainly gangliosides and cerebrosides. These are mainly seen in the central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. The cell membrane, unsaturated fatty acids increases the fluidity of the cell membrane. The saturated fatty acids decreases the fluidity of the cell membrane. The cholesterol is very important for the maintain the fluidity of the cell membrane. So the cell membrane fluidity is regulated by the cholesterol. The transmembrane protein, otherwise called as the integral protein, it is span the entire cell membrane. It may act as the G protein coupled receptor for the hormonal action, and the transmembrane protein also act as the sodium potassium pump and ion channels. The peripheral proteins, it may present outside the cell membrane or inside the cell membrane. It is important outside the cell membrane. It is important for the structural support for the RBC. The proteins like spectrin, non-gating helpful for the structural support in the RBC. Protein like dystrophin is important for the structural support of the skeletal muscles. Carbohydrate mainly present on the outer side of the cell membrane. It may be glycoprotein or glycolipids. The carbohydrate provide the negative charge of the cell membrane at the outer side of the cell membrane. The blood group antigen is mainly made up of carbohydrates. The cell membrane is outer protective covering, and the outer protective covering, mainly phospholipid bilayer is act as the permeability barrier. Proteins are act as the uh, channels and carrier proteins and hormone receptors and structural support. Carbohydrate act as the blood group antigens. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, press the like button, share your friends. Those who are not subscribed this channel, please subscribe. These videos briefly discuss the physiology topics. You must read the physiology textbooks. Thank you once again.